When was your last breakup happened?
I think 2 years ago.
Was it your fault or theirs?
Partly mine because I feel I was very emotionally unavailable. I wasn't aware of the mistakes I was making and I was just ego crack. So it happens with boys. But I have no regrets. Still have no regrets.
What did you learn from your last heartbreak?
Don't depend on anyone too much for anything.
If you could give a bit of advice to somebody who is struggling with their heartbreak, what would you tell them?
Take as much as time you want. There is no limit to taking a month or taking a year or taking 5 years. But make sure that you're making 1% progress every day so that compounds, that will show up in ways in the future. So make sure that you're doing that at least.
What is something you are proud of that most people wouldn't know about?
I think I'm proud of the man I'm gonna become because not yet there, but I know I want to be there. It's just me putting my work to it and my work showing up for it. I don't have to talk about anything or show anything off.
What is something I wouldn't believe about you?
Something that you wouldn't believe about. I'm 23 years old.
Have you ever lost a friendship that you thought would last forever?
No, man. Honestly, no. I still have the most beautiful friends in the world, and I keep saying that.
What is your happiest memory?
Okay, so it was on the street with my parents as a kid. We used to come here every Sunday, go to bowling in Amoeba and have fun. I just remember the good times of my childhood. And I feel very happy coming back here as a 23-year-old, reliving all those memories with my friends. That's about it.
You look super confident. What makes you so confident?
Confidence is relative again. I don't feel confident, but thank you for saying that.
What is one thing that you cherish the most from your parents?
The amount of privileges that they've given me to make sure that even if I fail, there's enough backup. And I'm just grateful for all of that because I see a lot of my friends struggling with financial health, this, and a lot of mental health things. In that way, it just makes me feel grateful that, okay, yeah, my parents are giving me enough backup to fail and make sure that I keep rising up on my foot again and again and again. Very thankful for that.
You have lots of generational wealth.
No, it is not generational wealth. It's just enough to keep my family going, and that's why I can take risks and do whatever I can do.